This is a slime story time. Right, so once me and my friend were playing with this bully. So his name was George. He loved soccer. He played football in a league. One day he came up to us and said, "Hey, do you want to play soccer with us?" So I said, "Why not? Okay." But my friend said she likes him and she wants to flirt with him. So I was like, I was very blown by this, should I say? Right, yeah, that's what I'll say. And I was kind of shocked to hear that she was liking my crush as well. Yeah, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. He was my crush as well. And I was asking the same day in the football match. Of course, my friend knew, so she went up to him and said, "Hey, I like you. Do you want to be my boyfriend?" And I was like, I was just like, you knew that I wanted him. You knew that I liked him. So I was distracted and I was like, why would you do this to me? So next thing I know, they're suddenly about kissing. So I make a plan. What type of plan, you ask? Well, that is very happy. Well, I get him to not like her anymore and get a look at me. So I put like a really sexy outfit on, and then what I do is put some makeup on and go to him and say, "Hey, do you want to hang out this weekend?" And then he says, "Sure." So then that weekend I ask him to be my boyfriend, and then my friend breaks up with me because then we're not friends. And she also betrayed me, so definitely not friends either. So then me and George start dating. And we live happy ever after. And that's actually the end, and that wasn't actually real, but yeah, it actually wasn't real. But it has actually happened to my friend before, so bye.